Hi. Hi guys. What is up? I'm going to be eating and doing a mukbang. I have Subway. Let me turn around so you can see Subway. I went and got a sub and some chips and cookies, but then I ended up going and getting me a big ass Mountain Dew for, I'm really thirsty right now, so I'm going to take something to drink, but yeah, I have been thirsty. I've like been waiting on this forever. I don't drink Mountain Dew a lot anymore. For one, it's bad for you, and two, it's like, or it's not the best for you. So I'm going to show you what I got. I got some Cool Ranch Doritos because they're the bomb. I love them things. And then I got me for dessert a white chocolate macadamia and a raspberry cheesecake cookie. And I got the BMT. Let me show you. Let me scoot up and show you a little bit of my sub. And it looks really good today. I got BMT. I don't know if you can see this or not because it's super wrapper. But a BMT. It's got spinach, onions, green peppers, banana peppers, pickles, salt, pepper, and the Southwest sauce, which I love. I can't get enough of. I need my greens, y'all. Alright. So, I'm going to sit here. And I'm going to sit here. Stuff my face. Look at that. Oh, and I got pepper jack cheese on it. I think this is wheat toast. White toast, white bread, whatever. And I need to position y'all a little bit better. Good? Okay, great. This is the life of somebody who wears like really dark lipstick. Oh yeah. And it's on your napkin too. Wow. Perfect. Perfect. I have a picnic on the couch today. Oh shit. I used to work at Subway before I had my daughter. I will never work at the particular Subway chain that I was working for because the guy that owned all of it, he was racist. It's all coming off. It's all good though. I'm ready for a new color. I do this every day. If I'm wearing makeup and I got lip stuff on. It'll be out by the end of the video probably. That new girl, I guess, working at that Subway. Poor thing. I mean, she was doing pretty good. This is really good. Oh, I just got like a... My neck just popped. Ugh. I hate that. I'll be surprised if nobody comes in while I'm on, like, eating. Like, we have not been busy all day today, and I've been doing a lot of video editing. So I can have a, you know, videos up, you know, and ready just to click, you know, to, like, move over, you know, to upload to YouTube. So yeah, like, all morning long, that's all I did. I did, like, I think I did 2 videos. I did edit 2 videos, but they were both, like, one was like 40 minutes long and the other one was like almost 30 minutes long. And then after I eat, I'm probably going to do more video editing. Because I like to stay busy as often as I can. Unless I'm home. Well, at home I'm the same way. To a point. I haven't done any video editing in like 2 days because I've been so tired. Or no, excuse me, 3 days. Because I've been so tired. So I'm catching up on it. So, I'm like, so I'm catching up today. And probably in the next couple of days, I'm going to be catching up as well. I'm trying to have videos stacked up for you guys. I don't know. I have now about 7 or 8. It's sad. It's fucking sad, y'all. Oh, goodness. It's so good. I don't know why, but this Mountain Dew is tasting so good to me right now. But it needs to stop tasting so good to me because it's so bad for me. Man, I am making a mess. Girl, you can't take me nowhere without making a mess. Don't take me out in public, y'all. I'm terrible. I don't mind the crumbs, it's just the... I lost one of my earbud covers, so I had to take one off of an old earbuds that I had. So now I have a white and a black one. I gotta go find that. And I gotta find a black one. But okay, like I said, every time, man, it really makes me mad. It's always when I'm sitting on this couch and I get too comfortable. I know you're not supposed to be comfortable at work, but the other job that I work compared to this job, I would be. Oh man. Oh man. Put this in my trash in my bag. Keep the place tidy. Very tidy. Why does it taste like mayonnaise? Maybe not. I don't like mayonnaise, so. I wish they would sell their Southwest sauce. I think that's what it's called, Southwest sauce or whatever. In the stores. That'd be awesome. Put all my sandwiches. Put that on all my sandwiches. Alright, even their sweet teriyaki sauce, that would be even better. So last night, I like to go on YouTube and watch, like, obviously videos. Not only am I doing YouTube, I watch it. Well, anyway, I watch it just as much as I do, like, normal TV or something. There's this girl named Chelsea Lynn. She does the Tammy skits. If you ever see the Tammy skits, you know what I'm talking about. Well, she does, like, like her actual self, Chelsea. She will do, like, mail time. So she'll, like, open up a bunch of stuff that people send her from, like, at her P.O. box. And she loves Reese's, but they were doing it as a cruel joke. Like, I don't know if it was like her subscribers or the people that were sending it to her. Obviously, it's her followers. But they were sending her the white chocolate ones, and she can't stand white chocolate. And she's like, y'all are pranking me. And, like, her husband does them with her, right? And he's like, he opens it, and, like, one of them is, like, this huge bag of chocolate. And he's like, you're going to kill him. Again, or I don't remember what he said, but he's like, you're going to hate this. It's this. And she's like, what? Did we say something in our last mail time video that we were something about this shit? And I was like, oh. Oh my god, they're so hilarious. Oh my god. Like, them opening the mail time and stuff, and like she's a huge like Golden Girls fan, and she loves getting shit like stuff like with dicks on them and stuff. Man, it's hilarious to watch. And then, like, I mean, obviously her skits are funny. You know, the Tammy skits. You have to watch those. If you haven't seen it, her name is Chelsea Lynn. Gotta go watch her. They call Tammy trailer trash Tammy. But it's hilarious though. It is so hilarious. I think she started through Vine. I think. I'm not really 100% sure when she came over to YouTube. Like a lot of YouTubers. A lot of comedian YouTubers do. But yeah. She's got this one video where her and her two girlfriends go to a thrift store. When they go to a thrift store, they draw each other, like, they draw names, like they draw each other's name. And they have $10 to spend on an outfit for everyone, or for that person to wear. Like, it has to be like the most craziest outfit and all kinds of shit. And I mean, it's so funny if you watch the vlog and stuff. And then they have to go out to eat. Like, they went out like for breakfast or something. It's hilarious. And like, I mean, you have to watch it. It's so funny. Oh my god, I love it. I like the skits that she has where she's like, it's Craigslist, like buying something off of Craigslist. I think it's like Craigslist gone wrong or something. It's hilarious. And what's the other one? Oh, where it's like a complimation or whatever they call it of the Vines. It's like, did you drink the last of the Dr. Pepper? And then he goes, did you do? And then she's like, and then she walks off or whatever. It's so funny. You have to watch it. It's hilarious. It's so fucking hilarious. Definitely check her videos out. They're awesome. I thought about sending her a package, and I would do like nothing but like Reese's, and shit. I thought that would be funny. But do different like kinds of Reese's. You know, like, I don't know, like Reese's cups. I'm not gonna do white chocolate. I'm not gonna be mean to her like those people on the video did. I'll do some crazy shit. And she only lives in California, so it shouldn't be bad to, like, do that. I thought about doing that, but I don't know how I'm going to do it, though. Or when I'm going to do it. Whoops. See, that's why I want to get started here, where you guys can just, like, write me letters and stuff. And then, like if you write me a letter or, like, send me something, I'd open it up in front of everybody and, like, especially, like, cards. I love to show people cards and stuff. Oh, my God. I think I'm done almost, other than I'm saving some room for my cookie. I might eat one of the cookies and save the other one for later. Alright. I'm going to try this raspberry cheesecake one. Look at that. Mmm. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to save the white chocolate macadamia nut. I've had that one before. Keep dropping my lid in my lap. Alrighty. This smells good. Mmm. Mmm. Yum. Mmm. There's a good cookie. Mmm. So, you know those brownies that I made the other night? Or you know those brownies that I made and did the video for? Well, get this. I took them to work. Everybody ate a lot of it. Like, my boss, like, got this, like, big square. I was like, damn. Which I didn't mind. And then I still had, like, I mean, even with her, like, getting a big square, I still had, like, a little over half of a pan of the brownies, right? I get home yesterday because I made them Monday night. And I get home Tuesday night. Or Tuesday. Gone. I'm like, the kids, like, just... excuse me. They just gobbled it up. I'm like, damn. I think this is a tradition that I burp in every single mukbang. I think it will be. There's not a mukbang that goes by that I don't burp. There's something wrong with me. Like, something wrong with me. You know? But yeah. I was so, like, I was shocked because, like, I waited all day to have a piece of those brownies, and they were completely gone. I was so, like, upset. I was like, it's like, oh, you know, you see a pizza box, and you're like, oh yeah, pizza, and you open the pizza box, and there's nothing in there. I was kind of like that. But yeah. Okay. Not bad. Not something I would eat every day. It's like really sweet. But it's really good.